Sahajasti, in natural self, we become fully functional individual. And if we move forward, then we expand and we are released in universal intelligence. Universal intelligence is a cauldron of ever changing experiences, always in flux, in dance. It is limited by space and time and contains them. It contains the experiences of minerals, plants, animals, humans. It has Akashic records, the story of humans. Traditionally, the universal intelligence is called as God. And also it contains the energy of gods, goddesses, angels. It contains all possible good and evil. So there is a dark side and there is a side of a light. It also has potentially all creativity. Whatever creativity happened in the future, whatever creativity is happening in the present, and whatever creativity is going to come, all is contained in it. It is also called Kalptaru, the wish-fulfilling tree. So if we can tune into it through our natural personality, then it will bless us with anything which we ask. But that asking must be according to our nature. It appears in our dreams, and in those dreams are contained our totems, angels, prophets, sages, mother, those archetypal images having our psychic energy. And whenever our dreams come true after a few days, it is a sign that we tapped into universal intelligence. And also psychic and astrologers, when they make a right prediction, it is because they were able to go into universal intelligence. So it has enormous significance because now we are no more individuals confined to our full individuality, but we are released into this massive, massive force of experience, and we are connected with everything which possibly exists in the universe, in the cosmos. Our consciousness expanded. So let us see in pictures. So here we become a universal person equivalent to God. In this state, our natural rhythm of life are completely established. We are flowing with our nature. Peak intelligence moments about which we talked are now constant. And also, intermittently, we are experiencing peak intelligence state. What is peak intelligence state? Means the non-dual, the highest consciousness state happens to us for weeks and months, but then it disappears. So it cannot be constant in universal intelligence. Ceaseless activity we experience because we are connected with everything. We are universal person, but we have universal boundaries. So universal intelligence is not absolute, it is not timeless, it is not boundless. Although we experience those states intermittently, but we always come back. So still there are boundaries. And our body is connected with earth and nature very directly. So it is not only intellectual connection, it is not only emotional connection, but we experience the whole nature effortlessly, spontaneously, so beautifully depicted by Vasil Woodland in this painting. So we experienced God. We experienced universal love. That is why some people say, love is God, God is love. Not in the state of identity or natural personality. It is in the state of universal intelligence. Sahajaste.